Welcome to today's episode. Today we're actually lowering this 2018 Honda Civic. We're gonna put some lowering springs because make it look fresh. Let me show you what we got. All right, so the car sits pretty high, as you can see. So now we're gonna install some, I think the DC lowering springs, D2s or D2s, and this is what they come. So stay tuned and learn how to lower your Honda Civic. Okay, first we're gonna remove all the tires. All right, so with the wheels off, we expose all the parts we need to take off. We're gonna start with sway bar link and remove all these lines, brake line and speed sensor line. And then this is just like the Volkswagens where you remove one bolt and it drops in there. Not a big fan of that, but that's how we gotta do it. And then you got 3 bolts up here, nuts, and that's it. All right, so we took it off. Just put that back on there to support it. And there she is. This one wasn't too bad. All right, next, I'm gonna do the fronts. And we need to use the spring compressor right here. So that's what we're using first. Mounting it and getting the new springs on. Stay tuned. Okay, tip. Make sure you put these. They have some lettering right there. This one has front left, 3 front left. And then this one has front right, 3 front right. So that's how you know what size to put it on. All right, let's get to it. All right, now that they're installed, time to put them back on. All right, so they're installed. They look good. Everything came out good. Perfect. All right, now we're doing the rear. I'm gonna remove this bolt and this bolt, which is connected to your other sway bar link, and it's connected to your hub. And then that drops down. Also gotta loosen that one a little bit just to get it to swing down. So let's get it. All right, so they're installed. They're looking good. Boom. Now let's see how it looks. All right, she's lowered. Looking fresh. So that's how it looks lowered.